Hello, everyone. Here we are on Hell Roaring Trail. Me, Joe, Larkin. I'm Zach. Just starting off about 10 feet down the trail.
Look at all the moss. It's just thick.
Moss boss.
We've been hiking for about 30 minutes now. Making our way up. Pretty mellow hike. It only gains about 744 feet. So it's a pretty mellow hike. Made it about halfway.
We're in the clouds now.
All right, we made it to the creek. Woo-hoo. Oh yeah, boys. And a great swim. Shout out. Got some snow left. Temperature is like, I don't know, 38 right now. So Zach's about to jump in the creek. I don't know how, it's pretty cold.
Here we go, getting in the river. It's fucking cold!
We're almost back to civilization. Pretty easy hike. Hell Roaring Creek. Pretty mellow. Check it out if you are in the area. Montana, baby. Go out there, do some cool stuff. Have lots of fun. And be safe. Practice safety always. Know where you're gonna go when you're going. And don't go by yourself until you're ready. Peace.